Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the keyboard on the HP EliteBook 1040. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. Begin by turning off the laptop and disconnecting it from the power source. Next, lay the laptop on a flat surface with the bottom facing up. Start by removing the screws from the bottom cover using the Phillips screwdriver. There are typically 10 screws that need to be taken out. Make sure to keep them in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to carefully pry open the bottom cover. Insert the spudger into the gap and gently lift the cover off. Be cautious not to damage any clips. After removing the cover, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Now, locate the keyboard connector cable. It is usually situated near the top of the laptop. Gently disconnect this cable by lifting the locking mechanism on the connector. If you are unsure, take a moment to check the user manual for your specific model. With the keyboard cable disconnected, you can now remove the keyboard itself. It is usually held down by a few screws located around its edges. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver. Carefully lift the keyboard from the chassis, ensuring not to damage any other components. Before installing the new keyboard, it's advisable to clean the area. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris inside the laptop. This step is crucial for maintaining the performance of your device. If you're not comfortable performing this repair yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Just contact us and we can arrange pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring you don't need to make any calls or travel. Once the area is clean, take your new keyboard and align it correctly with the chassis. Gently press it down into place. Reattach the screws that hold the keyboard in place, making sure they are secure but not over-tightened. Next, reconnect the keyboard cable by sliding it into the connector and pressing down the locking mechanism. Ensure it's firmly in place to avoid any connectivity issues. After that, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Place the bottom cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is aligned properly before tightening the screws. Now, power on your laptop to check if the new keyboard is functioning correctly. Test all keys to ensure they are responsive. If you experience any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to replacing the keyboard on your HP EliteBook 1040. If you followed these instructions carefully, you should have a fully operational keyboard now. Remember, if you need assistance, we are here to help with convenient services right at your home. Thank you for watching. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.